Okay, so now in the next section, we're going to review some of the Promaster and Ford unique specific items that don't pertain to the ambulance and the rear entry version. So let's start with the add-on custom items. These particular components only pertain to the Promaster. So when we click on this, you'll see and it comes up with a section note. These rear partition, window glass options, and interior panels were added in when we were converting cargo units into window units and vice versa, or just doing one-off orders that didn't encompass an entire conversion. So obviously these are specific to the Ram ProMaster. So if you select rear partition, it'll list the rear partition option. If you list the window glass options, it'll list out all the different window glass options. And again, any of these that you select will go down and change the price down at the bottom. Or you can select the interior panel options. And these again pertain to the particular Ram ProMaster that we're building. So that section is unique to the ProMaster.